Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'll be doing a little unboxing from Makartt. I've had this drill for about a month or two now. I'm not sure. I'll put up when I ordered it, when it was delivered. Ever since then up until today, which is I believe May 15th or 16th, I've been using it. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a little review for you. So I got this clear polygel. I've tested out at the time when I was unboxing it. I didn't test out the Makartt polygels as yet, but by this time I already have. So I'll have a separate video for that coming up as well. And I purchased the matte top coat. But the star of the show is actually the dust collector that I've been wanting to get for a really long time. And I decided to go with the Makartt brand. Not because I'm also a brand ambassador for them, but I wanted to buy something that will last me for a little while. So I thought to invest in this. So I really do love the word art on the box. Cute packaging, their name, simple, cute, all that. I believe this is the Symphony nail dust collector. So I have a few videos of me using it, so I'll have those clips up for you guys. So it comes with this charger, and this is the best feature of this drill. You don't have to keep it plugged in. If I had a nail lamp that I didn't have to keep plugged in, I'd be so happy, because the cords get in the way. So it comes in this bubble mailer. It's well protected. You can keep it plugged in, but you can plug it out and use it because it's rechargeable. So that's just the charger. This is the instructions. I did read it, so I would know how to use it. Yeah, this is the dust collector, and best believe I always use it. Every single set, it doesn't matter what I'm doing, I'm pulling this out when I'm drilling. That's it. So I'm showing you the size, or I'm attempting. I don't know how you guys would calculate that, but it's really, the width is small. I think it's manageable, definitely, when you're doing clients. One of the leg thing fell off, so I popped it back in. These are the two vents on the side. This is where the charger goes in, and this is the little dial. This is inside where the filter is, and that circle thing, that's where the suction comes from. Okay. So you should hear that click, and it's turning on. It kind of, this is the sound. This is it far away. So I'm turning it up for you guys. So this is not even max. So it can definitely get pretty loud, but I never use it on that setting. It's always on the lower speed. So I'm trying to find something to show you the suction. So see how quickly it grabs it. So I'm gonna show you how I use it. You'll hear a click when you turn it on and a click when you turn it off. And when it needs to be charged, there's a light right beside that dial that indicates that it's time to charge. I mean, it turned off on me once just because I didn't pay that light any mind, so I just continued using it. But once I plugged it in, everything was okay, and I continued to work. It keeps its charge for a long time. I believe I've been using it for maybe 3 weeks now with the last charge that I did, and I haven't charged it since. But yeah, since I've had it, you'd have seen the time frame that I had it, but since I've had it, I haven't changed the filter. I've only dusted out the filter once. I just pull apart the machine, as I showed you before, take the filter out, dust it off in the trash, and put it back in. I need to give it another clean. But yeah, I would highly recommend this dust collector. It's not too noisy. You can also use my code Thenailcourt for 15% off your purchase if you're interested in getting this. And let me show you the dust that came off on my clothes. That's it. Like, that's it. Usually, and this is black, usually everywhere would have dust. I probably should have done a set without using the dust collector and show you guys. Now with this, the dust will get trapped on my hands because of the way that I file my nails upward. You'll probably see that again soon. So it flies on my hands, and like the bigger particles, like the chunks of acrylic that the drill takes out, it will fly in different directions. So the dust collector won't necessarily suck that down. Okay, here we go. We take off the top. This is the dust in the filter. I'm gonna throw that in the trash. This is the one time that I dust out the dust. This is another set, if you realize, that I'm doing. But what was I saying? Yeah, it won't catch the big particles because those fly quickly and it's heavier. So when it flies, it's gonna fly in some sort of direction, but that's totally fine. The finer dust is what I'm more concerned of, and the dust collector really does a great job on collecting those particles. I don't have to wear a mask, but you definitely can, you know, for extra protection. Usually when I'm doing my nails, I would have a runny nose, like awful runny nose because of the dust, but I don't anymore. So yeah, I'm pretty sure anyone could tell you that having a dust collector is great, and you can buy any brand out there, but I just chose to purchase from this brand and see if it's worth mentioning, and it definitely is. So I'm telling you guys about it. So if you're in the market to purchase one, you can definitely shop at Makartt, and remember to use my code. But this is it for this video. I do have a few more videos coming up. I think I have an Aliexpress haul with a 10XL nail tip, guys. 10XL. And I believe a 3XL. I don't think it's a 10XL nail form. It probably is. I'm not sure. But that nail form is so long, guys. Okay. And I have an unboxing. Well, this is the set. It's from a new acrylic company that I tried, and this is the set that I've done for them. So yeah, this is coming up soon. It's not even the finished product, but anyways, this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.